money in the stock market. Why? Welcome to my channel Bullish Baaraat. Today we'll discuss why 95% of traders lose money in the stock market. Believe me, yes, it is 95% and only 5% of traders make profit in stock market. And that is why most of the general people lose money. And we'll see what are the reasons. What are the three important reasons that they lose money? And if we avoid these three reasons, then definitely we will start making money and slowly we'll become a good trader. So let's see one by one what are those three mistakes that often people make. So first reason is FOMO or late entry. What do you mean by FOMO? FOMO is fear of missing out or late entry. So what happens is, suppose we see a trade which is forming a big candle and we say there's a lot of people making profit in that trade, and we get a FOMO that we may not miss out, we may miss out the trade and we may not make profit. So out of that fear, we make a very late entry and get trapped. So in this case, definitely we are going to lose money. And also sometimes we get trapped in retracement. What is retracement? Retracement, if there is a bullish candles forming and we get a small pullback, that is called a retracement, which is generally a false pullback, and we see the trend is reversing and we take an entry. And but that is where we get trapped in the retracement. So this is one of the biggest reason that most of the traders face stop losses or they lose out the whole money. So how to avoid this? To avoid this, we have to make a correct entry. Where our entry should be, we should be very clear on that. We should avoid the FOMO and late entry. So always your entry should be perfect. That would be we should enter at the correct retracement or a break retest. When it comes for a retest, we should enter that. By this, most of our trades will be successful and we won't lose money in the market. So the first main reason that we should always avoid is FOMO or late entry. Now let's see the reason number two for which the most of the traders lose money. Reason number two is wrong stop loss placement. So most people, most beginners I see don't put a stop loss. That is definitely will bring wipe out your account. And some of the traders who put wrong stop loss, they also going to lose their big amount of money. So what is wrong stop loss? Stop loss which is too close to support gets always hit by a wick. So what happens is we always put in fear of losing our money, we put our stop loss too close to support. Which generally the market comes to hunt the SL and it hunts our SL and it takes our stop loss, and by this most of the trades are goes into in losses. And how to avoid this is we have to place SL below structure or swing low. By this, when there is a sharp dip which doesn't take our SL and we take the maximum of that profit. So the second most popular reason why people lose money is the wrong stop loss placement. So now we should take utmost care in placing our stop loss, which won't get hunt by the market. So this is the reason number two to avoid for the beginners and the traders too. Then coming to the reason number three, this is the most popular reason for why the 95% of the trader are in losses today. Mark my words, 95% are in losses because of these two words, over trading. So what is over trading? Let's see. Over tradings are generally done because of revenge trades and excitement trades that destroy accounts. So what is over trading? How much trades do we do in a day? And what is the correct number of trades that we should do in a day? That we should decide by ourselves. If you are a beginner, I would suggest do not do more than 3 trades in a day. Why? Because there will be a control in our hand that okay, and if you are doing 3 trades also, how to stop the 3 trades are, suppose there is a first trade, there will be three condition. I'm explaining you the condition, please note it down. So if there is a first trade where you have a profit, take the second trade of the day. If you are in profit, then that's it, stop your trade for that day. Do not take more than 2 trades if both the trades goes in profit. Now second condition, if the first trade is in profit, the second is in loss, then go for the third. Whatever the outcome of the third trade, That's it. Stop the trade for the day. So you get to take three trades on that day. Then next condition and the last condition is suppose you get lost in the first trade, second trade also goes into loss, then that's it. No more third trade. So this will keep a check on your over trading. And slowly, if you make it a habit, then you will get ultimate profit. So, and you can stop also the revenge trades and excitement trades. Generally, people take revenge trades. Suppose I got a loss in the first two trade, let me take the third trade, let me take the fourth trade, let me take the fifth trade, and they wipe out the account. So, this is the most popular reason why all of us are in losses. So, be very careful in over trading. Do not over trade. Then, risk. Manage your risk properly. Do not trade with your entire capital. Risk only 1 or 2% per trade of your capital. So in that way, your capital will be safe and you will be in the market and you will not wipe out your full account. So in this way, three reasons that if we avoid slowly, we make a habit of avoiding these three reasons and we will definitely be successful in our stock market trading. So we have learned the three mistakes. Now we'll see how to fix those mistakes. First point is enter only at the correct retracement, that is break retest. As I told earlier, we should always avoid false retracement or false breakout. Always wait for the correct retracement and or the breakout retest. When it goes for a retest, take the trade. Do not enter at the wrong place. This is the first reason and we have know how to correct it. Then second is stop loss. Always put your stop loss behind structure. In that way, your capital will be saved and you will become a good trader. And the third is the over trading, which we can compensate by risk management. Always risk only or 1 or 2% per trade, not more than that. So these are the 3 points to overcome our mistakes and which will help us to become a successful trader. So friends, avoid the three mistakes and you will be successful in your market trade stock market journey. So all the best and like, subscribe and follow this channel. More videos coming soon for you. Thank you. Thank you everyone.